Hello everybody and welcome to the Smardens website demo. We're at the login page here, but our first order of business will be to create an account. So let's head over to the create account page. As you can see here, you need to provide a username, a password, and a token. So for my username, I'm just going to go ahead and type in Izzy there, followed by a brief password. Now the token. Normally, getting a token would require us to go to an external website that handles the IoT portion of our project, but for our purposes here today, we're just going to fill it with arbitrary letters. Once we hit submit here, it'll let us know that our account was created and that we should go back to the sign-in page. And then we just provide those credentials. Now once we hit submit here, it's going to take us straight away to our home page. It'll say hello, followed by your username. And on this page, you get a brief description on what smart gardening is. We can also head on down to the bottom of the page here, and we see a button that says quiz. Once we go to that link there, you can see we have a sustainability quiz that tests your knowledge about sustainability. We can head back to the home page by clicking on Smardens at the top of the page there. Now, let's go ahead and check out my garden. At the top of the page here, you can see it says your username followed by garden and gives you some brief information about how to use the page. So we're just going to go ahead and type in a new crop name here, carrots. Let's say we've planted 32 of them and we've harvested in pounds 64 pounds of carrots. Hit new entry, you can see those changes reflected on the page. Let's go ahead and add another crop here. So let's add tomato, and we're not going to fill in all of the fields, and we're going to type in -1 for the number planted to see how invalid data is handled. As you can see there, it lets us know that all fields need to be entered, and additionally, only positive digits are allowed as inputs. So we're going to go ahead and make those changes. 22 for planted and 22 pounds harvested. We hit new entry, and those changes are reflected. Now, we spelled tomato wrong here, so we hit edit. We can change the spelling of tomato, type that in there, hit submit on the edit, and then again, those changes are reflected on the page. We can additionally delete entries by hitting delete, so let's delete carrot, and the page is updated once again. Let's go ahead and check out graphs now. So graphs will display information about your garden's temperature, humidity, and UV over the course of a 24-hour period. If we go to sensors, we can see here that, let's check our sensors. Okay, everything's in order. We don't need to check anything there. Otherwise, we'd need to go out to our garden if they failed and see what was going on. Anyway, thank you all for sitting through this demo and have a wonderful day.